it's awesome. I don't have any shades on your window. Alarm clock.
Hey everybody, you're watching Cole the Corn Star. If you're even slightly interested in farming or just want to watch a 21-year-old farmer get some stuff done, you're in the right place. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, write it down in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.
Get some good heat on it, it might start drying. It's just spongy yet, but it's drying better than it was 2 days ago.
You guys remember that sprayer path I went down a couple videos ago? It's getting tall. I'd say we have a plugged culvert. Off to check out the next field. This one shows some more promise. Okay, we just got back. We're gonna go in the field later today, but we need to spray it with 32% first. So what we're gonna do is take the sprayer trailer over to the main farm. We're gonna put Roundup on there because we need to put a little bit of weed killer in with the 32 because the weeds are starting to get a little tall over there. And we're gonna bring that semi over to the field it needs to go to, and then we'll come back so Dad can bring a truck out with us, and then we'll bring the sprayer out, and then we'll go get that sprayed off. And then we're gonna swing back and grab the planter and then start planting. While we're doing that stuff, Cooper's gonna fix that culvert that's washed out, and then hopefully we'll get that back into commission, and maybe tomorrow I'll be able to plant that field if we miss tonight's rain. We're hoping we miss tonight's rain. And if that field doesn't go, then we're gonna switch the plant over to beans and start doing some beans. Now that we got the semi to the main farm, I'm gonna pull that tank off. Okay, let's find the one we need. This is the one I need. I need to move this, might need to move that. I'm gonna go get the other skid loader. There she is. See, Backhoe's got an interesting way of starting it. Something doesn't quite look right. Can't tell what. I guess the fan just decided to give out. I don't know if I can fix that or not, but I'm gonna bring it up by the shop, pull the skid loader down, and see if I can lift that up and get it to line up. Case helping out a case. This might just work. The only issue is I gotta get this to line up, and I can't exactly reach it from the cab. Might have to wait till Dad gets here. I should probably get these big rocks out of my field. Don't want to hit those with a piece of equipment. Looks like I'm gonna sit here and twiddle my thumbs until Dad gets over here. Right now they're putting in a new air conditioning pump in the John Deere 4840. You know, I think my boots have seen better days. Hey, look who showed up. We got the backhoe fixed. It took about 15 seconds to get it done. Dad's gonna switch out these chemical containers while I go get us lunch. I got the food. Looks like Dad got it loaded. Looks like I got 2 cheeseburgers and a tenderloin. Here we go. Let's fill up and get to spraying. You want to avoid spots like that down there. Just about got stuck right there. This field's got a lot of wet spots in it right now, but they're gonna take a good week for them to dry. They're talking 2 more days of sun and then an entire week of rain again. So we're going in it, we're just going around the wet spots. Not something that we enjoy doing, but we would really like to get it planted. June 1st is creeping up on us, and we want to get it in the ground before then. This field's shaped a lot like somebody's hand if they had a couple too many juice boxes and they were feeling a little woozy. So it's a little odd shaped and can't really use auto steer on it at all. It's got a lot of dips and valleys and trees on the edges. So we just gotta go slow and be careful and look out for wet spots. This little spot right here is not very wide, so I folded in my booms and then I angled them in a little bit, and we're gonna go through like that. 99% of our fields are designed for big equipment, but this one's a little awkward for big stuff. But we make do with what we got. We got just a little bit left back here, so we're gonna do a 500 gallon batch instead of a 1,000 gallon batch, and we'll get that done. and then we'll come through and do it all again, but just 32% nitrogen. Then this field will be completely done with 32% for the year. You can tell that what I'm spraying is working. I just sprayed these about 10 minutes ago, and they're already wilting. Good stuff. Told you it looks kind of like a hand with staph infection. We got something going on that I don't know what it is. Listen. That's not right. See what Dad thinks. He's making his way over here. Look at him go. Boogity, 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 boys! Dad to the rescue. We think the drive motor in this front passenger side wheel might have decided to die. Doesn't sound too good. Called the John Deere guy, didn't answer, so I guess we're just waiting on him to see what's actually wrong with this. Cooper and I are gonna bring a couple clean 5-gallon buckets over there, open up the hub, see if there's any shavings in the oil or not. Then that way we can kind of determine what's going on or not. If there is shavings in the oil, they say a new drive motor is like $5,100, so let's hope that's not the case. And they said it could be 4 to 5 days before they get the part. Ooh, fun, fun, fun. We're gonna take the shield off, pull the drive motor off, and check out the splines on the inside. Never done this before, so trial and error. Well, we got the bolts off, but it's pretty much stuck on there right now. After having 15 years of 32% rusting that on, not coming off very easily. We didn't have the right pry bars to get it off. So we're gonna go out there at 7 in the morning, see if we can get that pried off. Then the John Deere guy's gonna come after that and assess the damages, and then we'll get the parts that we need. And hopefully we'll be running in 2 days. Kind of annoying, but those things happen in farming. It's part of it. Good night, 4840.
Snap ring on the coupler from the wheel motor to the torque hub popped out.
You can see in there. In case anyone else has a sprayer like us has a hard time filling the hubs, this is what we did here. Works pretty good. I'm gonna spray off this tank, and then I'm gonna need just a little bit more, and then we'll be done with corn, and then we'll be able to move on to beans. All done with this field. Now I'm gonna bring the sprayer home, and then Dad and Cooper are gonna come and get the semi, and then we're gonna fill the tanks with water, so that way we can start spraying pre-emergence for our beans. We have to spray pre-emergence before our beans are up, otherwise it can kill your bean or severely stunt it, and we don't want that. We haven't started planting beans yet. We've got about 50 acres of corn left to plant. Once we get that corn planted, which hopefully we can do today, then we're gonna start with beans, but I wanna get ahead of the planter with the sprayer first. Dad's gonna clean out the radiator on the 4840, then fill the planter. I'm gonna bring Cooper over some hose so we can fill the semi with water. Then I'm gonna come back and wash the sprayer. It's gonna be a little while before these are full. Cooper got the disc mower going. He's making sure that's working okay, and then he's gonna mow some stuff. After I get the sprayer washed, I'm gonna have to take these tanks off, and then I'm gonna have to put all the pre-emergence bean chemicals up here. The trailer's gonna be pretty full. Lunchtime. Lunch was good. Back to the sprayer. Now that I'm done washing the sprayer, I'm gonna switch all the tips on the sprayer. I'm gonna put finer filters on, and then we're gonna go start spraying some bean ground. A lot of the new sprayers do at least 30 miles an hour. This one will do 20.8 down a hill. Not exactly flying. Got the monitor all switched, ready for bean ground. Full of water, full of chemicals. Let's go spray some bean ground. Don't forget to like the video, write a comment down below, and subscribe. I'm not that crazy, I promise. Just kidding.